Right, day 3 of the job. This is part 3 of my job. I'm not gonna lie. Come on, Izzy. Izzy doesn't have to do with my job. She just wants to come in her room. Anyways, day 3 of the job. Not gonna lie. It was a great day. I didn't get out until 9:05. It is 9:55. So, this thing I took to work, right? And this can hold 13 ounces. And this is almost gone. I had almost 13 ounces of water. So again, that's besides the point. And I also got the hat. I'm gonna cover their number. I got their hat. Also got the card like I showed you guys earlier. So yeah, you guys saw the candy. But this is part 3 of the job. Let's get into it. So let me turn on this light. Sorry, I needed to see. So I did dishes again. That's normal. I think that's my main job, is doing dishes and getting them done. So everything is going well. Tonight I learned something new, and I thought pizza boxes was gonna be simple and easy, like a piece of cake like that. No, that's not the case at all. You have to use your index fingers and thumb. Sorry, my back kind of hurts. I gotta sit down. So yeah, I just learned how to make pizza boxes at work. I think I did 3 with my coworker and 1 by myself, and I did it all by myself. I just need more practice, obviously, but I think I will get it done. I'm not done, but I think I will get it down fairly quickly, like I did with the dishes. And I swept. It was a busy night per se. It was kind of slow at the beginning. Then it picked up at like 7:30 when I looked at my phone. I'm like, oh, it's 7:30, so I'm waiting until 9 o'clock. That's when we closed, but we had like this last minute order that someone wanted pizza. And my coworker's like, I don't really want to make another dough. I did a lot of dishes. We listened to good music. It was a good day. I meant good night, I should say. So yeah, I took a break here and there. My back kind of hurts because I'm on my feet now. My body's not used to that, but hey, at least I'm doing something in life that's actually productive and fun. I never thought washing dishes at a workplace would be fun. Honestly, I don't like dishes, but they gotta get clean. I swept, and then again, I made pizza boxes for the first time at work. I thought it was gonna be simple, like I said, but it's not. You have to follow directions. But yeah, so they have like a small, medium, and large boxes. So I was making the small pizza box, and yeah, that's pretty much it. They got me a birthday card, you guys already know that. Nice people, great environment. I could be more happier for myself, putting myself out there. I was so nervous last Friday, and here I am this Friday. Not shy anymore or nervous. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I'm gonna relax, play a game, and just wait until Sunday comes because I work Sunday. But thank you all so much for being supportive and understanding that I have a job now and I'm making time for you guys. Don't worry, that's not gonna not be an issue. Until the next time, have a wonderful Friday and good night. Peace.